Ladies and gentlemen, I know you want to gamble, and I know that no one will stop you from doing it. But what you can do is at least gamble in the most intelligent way, whether you're having fun or you're doing it for money. Every smart gambler knows that to be in the 1%, you're gonna have to be good in a high stimulus casino environment. Now, I suggest you listen to what I have to say because this point will give you the edge. It'll give you an advantage. It'll make you long-term gains possibly and lower your risk so you can actually gamble for as long as you would like to. This, ladies and gentlemen, is how you could make thousands of dollars or at least gamble for the longest possible amount of time. So we are going to have to use some AI just to look at the points. Don't freak out just because, I'm going to read out some points. I am going to analyze them with you. So what is a high stimulus casino? Well, it's an environment designed to overload your senses with constant noise, flashing lights, vibrant colors, music, and social activity. And the goal is to keep you in state of excitement and distraction. So why is it important? Okay. And remember, these high stimulus casinos, they're everywhere, right? They're trying to get you off the rails. They're trying to get you to lose your edge, to lose your advantage. So why are they important? Well, it distracts you from time and money. The sensory input makes it easy to lose track of time and forget how much money you've spent. Encourage you basically to play impulsively. The high energy environment can raise arousal levels, leading to more emotional, less rational betting decisions. Masks losses, the celebratory atmosphere from others winning can make your own losses feel less significant, keeping you engaged. The constant stimulations make it difficult to leave and breaks concentration, disrupting thoughtful play. So obviously these are the things, that you need to bear in mind. If you're going to go out there and play in the casinos are doing everything. Like literally every single little bit of the casino is designed in a way to break your concentration, to break your focus, to put you in a disadvantage. So let's just use Fred as an example. So if you don't really understand what I'm saying here, so think about Fred, an average guy. Fred in a large casino in Salo, he's trying to play blackjack strategically, but the slot machines behind him are basically ringing with bells and jingles, and the crowd is cheering loudly at a nearby craps table, and the music is a fast-paced pop beat. So already it's messing with his psychology, his emotions, everything is in play. Now, without a strategy, if he's just going in and he has no strategy to battle this high stimulus casino, Fred is going to get caught up in the energy, starts playing fast and making quick decisions without thinking. A loud jackpot from a slot machine makes him impulsively double his bet on a bad hand, feeling an emotional urge to get in on the action. That overstimulation leads to poor choices. Guys, you may not think this is relevant, but it really is relevant. This is the type of stuff that really puts too much impulse, and then you end up kind of following this impulse, following the beat, and basically making irrational decisions. So with a strategy, if he had a strategy, Fred recognizes the high stimulus environment is affecting him, he finds a quieter table, puts in noise cancelling headphones, or simply takes frequent breaks away from the action to mentally reset, and this helps him maintain his focus on his strategy despite the surrounding chaos. Guys, if you need to get these noise cancelling headphones, get them, whatever it takes. Just don't break focus, otherwise these little things can really make you lose money. So how'd you practice? Well, seek out lower stimulus areas, find tables or machines away from the main aisles or loud pits. Use noise cancelling headphones. As I said, this is a simple and effective way to block out distractions. Take frequent breaks, step outside or go to a quieter area for 5 to 10 minutes to decompress and ground yourself. Practice focus at home. Practice your game strategy in a distracting environment at home to train your brain. Set time limits. A strict time limit can prevent you from getting mentally exhausted and making impulsive decisions due to high stimulus environment. Guys, these are such important things. If you were to practice them, if you were to really, take into consideration these little things, they can really give you that extra edge. Trust me, there's a big difference. Yet some of you think, that it doesn't matter. To me, I would take advantage of everything and trust the process. Just trust the process. Like when you have noise canceling headphones, you're more focused, right? When you play away from the noise, you're more focused. When you're taking breaks, you can rethink, you can go over your strategies. When you've got the time limits, these things can make you a better player, and they can put you in the 1% because the 99% is not doing that. So take into consideration everything that was mentioned here. Also, don't forget, you are having fun, or if you're just making money, you still need to be, in that 1%. Because even though some people are like, man, I'm just gonna walk in, sometimes that fun can turn into tragedy, or that fun can be over very, very quickly. Like if you want to spread your fun and you want to have like a genuine night, not just a few seconds, then apply these things. You can enjoy yourself as well. Even if you lose money, at least you can enjoy yourself for a longer time because you are minimizing your losses. Or if you're down to make money, guys, then you should definitely take these into consideration and actually practice them. So, as the basically environment is changing, as many online casinos also are popping up, and online casinos can be very high stimulus as well. They could put out music, everything could be flashing, so many different things could be happening. I think it's important that you take advantage of free offers, free bonuses, many free things that are being put out for you guys. So me, okay, as someone that is quite well connected in this industry, I have a Telegram which I'm going to be giving out lots of bonuses, and I think you guys should be taking advantage of them. So really, really great things, guys. Really think it through. Join my Telegram group. I'm going to leave all the links down below. And yeah, guys, if you've got any questions, anything you want to ask, because all of it is very, very important. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.